Hello everyone. I'm here for the adjustments of my
Welcome back to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe by clicking that button below and also the bell icon so you get notices of our future videos. What I'm doing is checking my beautiful wife Rhea with this instrument. This particular model is called a kentoscope. It measures heat changes along the spine. A hot spot can indicate a localized area of inflammation where the nerve may be irritated, indicating an area that needs an adjustment. Man, there's a hot tamale. The only good thing about that is we found it.
apple.
Excuse me for lifting the back of your shirt up for a moment. Whoa. Problem in that area can cause heartburn, indigestion, acid reflux, irritating the nerves to the digestive system. Man, your lower back is hot. So, okay. Let's turn back this way just a little. Now I'm checking each individual joint, especially the areas where I found the hot spot. See if I find a restriction of the joint, if there's any swelling around the joint capsule. Which would indicate again a troublemaker or problem that needs to be realigned. And your atlas is stuck on the right, which can cause headaches and dizziness and blurred vision and sinus trouble. Ooh. T1, which will make it hurt where you've been hurting recently in your upper back. T7, her seventh rib or thoracic vertebra. And then her sacral bone on the right. So if you lie on your side, your left side here.
You don't want to come in here.
Whoa. Did it hurt?
No, it's not hurting. Just shock the crackers.
From the cracker?
Mm.
I didn't think it hurt, I was just asking. And that was an adjustment to her sacrum. Second lumbar, and I'm going to have you lie face down. Take a deep breath in, let it all out.
Oh!
Did it hurt?
No.
Okay, I didn't think so. That was T7. And I didn't pick this up when you were seated. Deep breath in, let it all So now you get to get up and have a seat in this chair for the neck adjustment. Scoot this table back a little bit. That's good. T1. Should have been just a little here. There you go. Excellent. Usually I would adjust the atlas by itself, but
Mahal.
there you go. We're all done.
It's not raining, just shock the crap.
Did you say shock the crack?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that completes that adjustment.
Before
The adjustment?
yeah, before my adjustment, before he adjusts me, maintenance adjustment, really my back is like that. It's like osteoporosis before, but now it's better.
Better.
Yeah, it's very, very big before.
She's saying her back was somewhat humped before I started adjusting her. Better now.
The best.
Well, thanks for visiting. Come back
Thank
again.
you.
Tell your friends.
See you next time.
Don't forget to subscribe.